What's up guys, and welcome back to Dark Matter. So I promise you my iPhone 15 Pro review is in the works, but I wanted to go ahead and squeeze in this quick unboxing of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, especially since the blue version of the 8 Pro has been getting a lot of circulation with videos and photos that I feel are kind of inaccurate to the color of the phone. So I'm gonna try my best to show you guys what the color actually looks like in person so you'll know what you're getting yourself into if this phone interests you and if it's something that you want to get. So we're going to start off with the regular Pixel 8. So we have that one here in the obsidian color. Now I was a little excited, got carried away and already pulled the pull tab, so you don't get to see that, but the main focus here is the color. So there's the Pixel 8. And you can see one of the main things people have been talking about is the way they've rounded off the corners. Some people are even saying this design looks a little like iPhone-esque. I would tend to agree. It looks kind of like maybe the iPhone 8 or something older than that even. But I really like how it feels in the hand so far. Even just the regular Pixel 8, the design is pretty similar to the Pixel 7. But the feel in hand is way better since the corners are more rounded off and not so squared off like the Pixel 7s were. Now, as far as what you get in the box, it's just kind of standard these days, USB-C to C cable. Google is still including a USB-A to C adapter so you can transfer your stuff from an older phone. And then of course you have your instruction booklets. So let's take off that protective film. So here you can see they've kind of gone with the slightly curved edges on the screen, kind of like the new iPhones are, but this just makes the feel in the hand a lot more smooth and it connects to the metal really nicely. I like that design. Not a big fan of the curved screen like how the Samsung phones are or how the Pixel 7 Pro was, but I'm definitely a fan of the slightly curved screen on the edges. I think that just gives it that extra smooth factor and makes it really nice to use. Okay, so let's get into the star of the show, the Pixel 8 Pro in Google's new Bay color, which is this blue color. And I really want to edit this to where you can clearly see that this is a very soft blue. Some people have been editing it to where it looks very punchy and, you know, super saturated, but it's an incredibly soft blue and that perfectly matches the new kind of satin finish on the back where it's actually very soft, very subtle. I honestly really like this blue. Even the metal on the sides, it's silver, but it looks to have a slight bluish hue to it in the right lighting. So I think this is a really unique and cool color. I think a lot of people are going to get this one. We'll just peel off the protector on that real quick. And again, unlike the Pixel 7 Pro, they've gone with the slightly curved edges instead of just the dramatic curve like on the Samsung phones or the previous Pixel 7 Pro. It's going to be a lot easier to find a tempered glass screen protector for this, since it's easier for companies to manufacture the glass screen protectors for this less dramatic curve on this screen, as opposed to the older phones where you could hardly find screen protectors in general, much less the glass screen protectors for these. So that's going to be a big win for Pixel phone owners, I think. Overall, I'm really impressed with the design on these new phones. I've always been a big Pixel fan. I used to exclusively use Pixel phones before I switched to iPhone. So to see them constantly progressing with their design and even like with the promised 7 years of software updates on these, it's pretty cool to see. To be determined if they actually follow through on that, but either way, it's cool to see them progressing. I think these are a great iteration, a very good upgrade over last year's. If I do end up reviewing them, I'll kind of give you more details on how they work, how they function, as compared to the iPhone, the other Androids I've tried. But that's really all I have for you guys on these. Just wanted to, like I said, give you a look at the design on these, try to give you a realistic representation. That way, if you're looking into purchasing these, you know what you're actually going to be getting. I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video. If you did, please leave me a like below. Let me know in the comments, do you like this new blue color? Is it dope or not? And get subscribed and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I release my iPhone 15 Pro review. We'll see you guys in the next one.